Introduction to trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in a right angle are trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in a right triangle are, now here, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Now here is one table. This you have to remember. OAO HHA. OAO HHA. That means here what here? Now first you see here O by H. That means opposite by hypotenuse. O here opposite, H means hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, that is sine theta. Sine A means opposite by hypotenuse. A means adjacent, adjacent by hypotenuse. After sine we will go to cos. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. After cos, tan. Tan opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Once again we will see. This how to remember. OAO HHA divided by HHA. That means O by H, that is sine. A by H, that is cos. O by A, that is tan. Opposite by hypotenuse, that is sine. Then cos, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then tan, opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Now sine, opposite by hypotenuse. O by H, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. A by H. Then tangent, opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent side. Then cosecant, or we can say cosec. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Now you have to go reverse. Hypotenuse by opposite, that is cosec. Sec, hypotenuse by adjacent. Then cot, adjacent side by opposite. Cosecant, that is hypotenuse by opposite side. Secant, that means sec, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Then cotangent, that means cot, adjacent side by opposite. So by remembering this table we can easily identify sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. Then now in this you see here, this is a right angle triangle. Now angle B is a 90 degree. Now AC is the hypotenuse. Longest side of a right triangle, that is said to be a hypotenuse. Then opposite, then this one is adjacent. Now here we are taking this angle, angle theta. This angle we are taking theta. That means sine, how to find here? Side opposite to this angle. Side opposite to angle theta. Opposite side opposite to this angle. This angle opposite side is AB. Opposite by hypotenuse. Then AB by we will take AC. Suppose if you are taking this angle A sine theta. So to find sine theta, what we should do? Opposite side of this angle, it become BC. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse. That time we should take a BC divided by AC. This is very important. Now theta we are taking. To find sine theta, what we should do? Opposite side of this angle, it become AB. Then divided by hypotenuse. Suppose if we are taking this angle, opposite side of this angle, it become BC by hypotenuse. Now the ratio defined above are abbreviated as sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Cosec A, that is equal to 1 by sin A. Now sin A should take to LHS side, then cosec A should take to RHS side. Okay, that it becomes sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. To find cos A, what we should do? Cos A we should take to LHS side, then you take sec to RHS side, it goes to denominator. Cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, or tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, or cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. So this trigonometric ratio of some specific angle, it is very important in this chapter. Radian 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So radian also you should remember, then degree also you should remember. Radian 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Degree 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Then you take sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now sin 0 degree, that is equal to 0 in degrees. Sin 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Then you should write reverse here. Start here 1, then root 3 by 2. Reverse you should write 1 root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2, then 0. So here first point you should remember this 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then this sign full this row. Then it become easy for you to find remaining all. Now you know that to find tan theta means sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos, that means 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. So that means first you have to divide these two, you will get this answer. Sin by cos is tan. That means tan 0, that is 0. Tan 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Or tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6, it become 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. Tan 60 degree, that is equal to root 3. Tan 90 degree, not defined. Not defined, 1 by 0, that is not defined. Then cosec, should write reverse, not defined. Then root 3. Now cosec you should write here 1 by sine, 1 by sine, 1 by sine, it become a cosec. So you should write 1 by sine, 1 by 0. 1 by 0, that is not defined. Then cosec 30 degree, that is 2. Okay. 1 by 1 divided by again 1 by 2, you will get 2. 1 by sine is cosec. So like this you have to remember. So cosec 30 degree, that is 2. Cosec 45 degree, root 2. Cosec 60 degree, 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 degree, 1. Then you should go to sec. 1 by cos, that is equal to sec. 1 by cos, that is equal to sec. Now you should take a 1 by cos. 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1. So next sec 30 degree, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 degree, root 2. Sec 60 degree, 2. Sec 90 degree, not defined. Then you should go to cot. Cot 0. Cot 1 by tan. 1 by tan, 1 divided by tan. 1 by 0. 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by 0, not defined. So cot 30 degree, root 3. Cot 45 degree, 1. Cot 60 degree, 1 by root 3. Cot 90 degree, 0. So this table is very important, you have to remember. Then trigonometric ratio. ratios of complementary angles. Sin 90 minus A, that is equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus A, that is equal to sin A. Then next second point, tan 90 minus A, that is equal to cot A. Cot 90 minus A, that is equal to tan A. Sec 90 minus A, that is equal to cosec A. Cosec 90 minus A, that is equal to sec A. Identities: sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1. Then sec square A minus tan square A, that is equal to 1, or 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Next, cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, that is equal to cosec square A.